So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about another project. But before that, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So guys, welcome to We Digital, the centralized Web3 DeFi EVM engine in BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum Virtual Machine, BEP20. Digital is not just a platform. It is a global financial ecosystem built 100% on blockchain. We was born with a clear purpose to democratize access to DeFi with maximum security, transparency, and automation. We connect everyday people to high frequency algorithm liquidity, transforming the complexity of the crypto market into accessible passive yields. The foundation of our technology. What is DeFi and how do we use smart contracts? The traditional financial market relies on banks, managers, and middlemen. 100% automation, zero human intervention, mathematical precision. These are immutable cryptographic codes recorded on the blockchain. All the transactions are executed automatically by contracts bound by predefined rules and conditions. Once market conditions are met, the contract executes actions such as paying out your profit in the exact same second. How does we digital profit in the real market? We own a 50 million liquidity pool operating within the giant PancakeSwap. We make our trading pairs, USDT and BNB, available to the global public. The magic of the swap: whenever a trader anywhere in the world makes a swap using our liquidity, the network generates a transaction fee, your profit. This fee ranges from 2% to 4% per operation. This is the real capital that funds the daily yields of our ecosystem. And the best part, you can verify all of this live on blockchain. The gateway. We Gateway, the liquidity portal. When you purchase a package from We Digital, your money doesn't go into a director's bank account. It receives by our first official smart contract, We Gateway. The financial engine. The pool, high caliber liquidity. This is the heart of our protocol where the magic of the market happens. Your capital joins our global ecosystem to provide liquidity to PancakeSwap traders. Wealth distribution. We flow, the yield algorithm, the fees 2% to 4% generated in the pool are collected and managed by WeFlow, our smart distribution contract. PancakeSwap contract. Between WeDigital and PancakeSwap in dual engine protocol. Our profit is 3% up to 5% profit. Two gateway liquidity pools between liquidity pool and profit pool. Deposit 50 million in liquidity pool between We Digital and PancakeSwap in dual engine protocol. Company fund and members fund going to PancakeSwap pool 50 million. All bonuses will release from the profit bonus pool, 2 million profit bonus pool. When investing in the We Digital protocol, your money is not under human custody. It goes directly to the smart contract, being recorded, validated, and distributed automatically. Web3 DeFi We Digital highlight: zero transaction fee, no need to press withdrawal button. All related bonuses will go through my own wallet. ROI daily bonus 3.21% from Monday to Sunday. The algorithm releases only 200 We tickets per day for the entire network. Qualification: We Digital official members or non-members, early bird will get $0.5 per day but only limit 200 tickets. Direct indirect referral bonus 13%. We Leader ROI rank matching bonus. We Leader 1 up to 7 level, volume $20,000, sales condition 10,000 times 2 line, bonus 3.5%. We Leader 2 up to 14 level, volume 50,000, sales condition 25,000 times 2 line, bonus 7.0%. We Leader 3 up to 21 level, volume 150,000, sales condition 75,000 times 2 line, bonus 14%. We Leader 4 up to 28 level, volume 500,000, sales condition 250,000 times 2 line, bonus 21%. ROI rank matching bonus will effective continue when you get rank up to 28 level. The liquidity pool is already active. The yield is growing with each new swap. The WeFlow algorithm is monitoring. But before we end this video, let me remind you that this video is not for financial advice. See you again in the next video.